buyers are coming! Quick, hide the women and children! So you've put your house in the market, and now you have some showings or an open house coming up, and that's maybe how you feel, like, oh no, we gotta hide everything. Well, you maybe don't have to hide the women and children, but there might be some other things that you do need to hide. First, the biggest thing that you need to hide is the clutter, the mess. Yes, before you even put your house in the market, you should go through a major decluttering, and then every time you have a showing or a open house coming up, have places ready to hide away the little things that just accumulate through life. Yes, you're living in the home you're trying to sell, we know that, but you still need to try and make it look as neat and uncluttered as possible. Now that the clutter is hidden away, the next thing you need to hide away is your valuables. Yes, first thing that includes is things like jewels, watches, things that are small and might grow legs. Pretty much anything of great value that you have that you really want to make sure is safe, lock it away in a drawer. But that's not the only thing you should consider. You have another very valuable thing, your information. Any kind of documents that might have account numbers, any kind of personally identifiable information, that also needs to be hidden away. I once did an open house where the seller was some kind of a doctor and left patient files sitting right on the dining room table. One of your most valuable possessions is your information. You need to make sure that it's hidden away too. The next thing you want to do after you've hidden all the valuables is to depersonalize your house. Think of the opening scene from the wedding banquet when Waitung and Simon are busily de-gaying their house for Waitung's parents' arrival. That's the same sort of approach you want to take. You want to have your buyers come in and see themselves in the house, not you. Also, remember when we were talking about information, things like your college diploma hanging on the wall provides an awful lot of information about you that you might not necessarily want everyone to see. Now that you've hidden all the valuables and you've kind of taken yourself out of the home, you want to make the home itself shine and sparkle. Clean everything. Don't just vacuum and dust a little. Clean the windows. Make the place truly shine. After all, the house is the star of the showing, right? Now that you have this wonderful house all sitting there sparkling, shining, just waiting to beckon those new buyers, you want them to be able to see that house. The last thing to do before you leave for the buyers to show up, open all the curtains, all the shades, turn on the lights, bring in the light, let the sun shine in. This is, after all, a house you want them to be able to see.